Okay guys, let's start this model, and as you know, in this model you will learn how to create your first Facebook ad, and we will use the easiest way to create a Facebook ad in this video, in this model. There are other ways to create, advanced ways and retargeting ways to create ads, and all that we will see in the next model. For now, I'll show you how easy it is to create an ad, and by the end of this model, as you know, you will have an ad here ready and live for your target audience. Here we are on the Facebook page we just created a few videos ago, and the technique we are using here in this model is, number one, create a Facebook post, and later we will promote that post as a Facebook ad. So the first step is to basically just create a post as you are used to create posts. Just come here and start writing your post. And let me show you a template that you can use for your ad, for your post. This is one sample text that I have to promote one of my courses. So basically here I am saying, want a cooler job? Register for the complete Alibaba to Amazon training and start importing products from China to sell on Amazon. Enroll here, and here is the link. So what I recommend you to do is to have a great introduction here. You see that first I get the attention of the viewer, I get the attention of this audience that is interested in my product by asking a question. So, want a cooler job? I am targeting people here that are looking for other jobs, or people that are looking for ways to create an online revenue, an online business. And also after that, I have the first call to action saying register for, and I give here the name of the product and also the advantages that they will have if they take action now. That's super important, guys, to give here in the first lines the advantage. What's the value, the advantage, what your audience will have if they click on your link, if they actually enroll in your product. So that's what I am providing here. And at the end, of course, a final call to action, and I recommend you to do that too. And also to have entered the link here. Of course, this image here is linked to this URL, and also this headline and the sub-headline is all linked to the same URL. But even with all these links, I recommend you to add the link here on the description. This is important because some people see the link here, and for some people, I don't know why, it's easier to click on something if they see the link. They are conditioned to click on links. So that's why it's recommended to do that. So think about your ad. Just get a piece of paper and a pen, or maybe open a Word document on your computer and start typing some options for your ad, following this simple template. You don't need to spend too much time right now because this is just a test. And if you don't like this, you don't need to continue with the ad. You can just publish, and you can decide later if you want to convert this post on an ad or no. Also, if you already have an existing audience on your Facebook page, my suggestion is to post this as a regular post. Wait a few days, maybe 24 hours, 48 hours, and see the engagement that you have from your current followers. And if you are seeing great engagement with your followers, you can say, this is a winner, let's convert this into an ad. So for now, you can change, before we publish here, let me show you that you can change the image by clicking on the plus sign here. I think I showed you this before. So you click here and you select the image that you want to upload. And also you can change the headline. So if I click here, I can change the headline if I want. And also the sub headline. When it's ready, all you need to do is click on publish. Let's see, it's publishing this post. Wonderful. Scroll down here. Let's refresh the page. Here we are. Here is the post. And now you see the boost post here is ready to be transformed on an ad, to use this post as an ad on your Facebook. And before we do that, remember that you need to check if you have the great description here, and especially if your link is showing here. Sometimes if your text is longer here, if you have more than 2 lines, you won't see the URL here. So I recommend you, if you have more than 2 lines, try to put the URL in the middle so you can continue writing after the URL. So the URL shows here in the preview of the ad. I hope you like this. Let's create your post right now. And in the next video, we will proceed with the second step, which is boosting your post. See you there.